Hi everyone, so I'm back to share a journal with you. This is one of the big, long, skinny, tall journals. I've done the taller ones before, but never as long as this. So it's a shabby themed one, I would say. And it measures 11.25 by 4.5. It has one signature and 72 pages front and back, and it will be listed in my shop if you're interested. You can find the links below in the description box. So got some lace on the cover here. This is papers from Artie Mays. I think they were freebies from May, June. I think you'll find them on our coffee shop now. Like I said, I've just popped some lace on here, which is wrapped around. You can see it there. One of my favourite images. Just done some stitching. That's on a tag. There's some cheesecloth behind there. I've literally just put that topper on. It's all been stitched. We've got eyelets and this satin ribbon as a closure. And let's go inside. Okay, oh, love this. Right, and I need to make sure that I am like in frame because this is really tall. The same papers that I used on the outside I used on the inside, but rotated them around, whereas like the plain collage paper is there and the floral one is in the middle. On this, it's the florals at the top and the bottom. This is from My Porch Prints, and it is the Grandma's Attic kit. I haven't used, there's all different things going on throughout here, all different kits. Here we have a pocket. The papers have been coffee dyed. This is a freebie on my coffee shop. This is from My Porch Prints. This is from Artie Mays. And this is an Edith Holden book page. I'm just peeking there is the bird. It's a sparrow, I believe. This is some original ledger paper, and I've just folded that over. This is some original music paper. Has got little pencil markings on it from obviously whoever had this many moons ago. And here, this is a book page from England is a Garden. I have used some digital washi tape from chapter 1. And then you've got the other side of the book page. We've got some lace trim here. I've done some stamping. This is some French ephemera from the old design shop. And then here I've just done a little digital washi and a butterfly. Butterflies from Artie Mays. And all the digital washi throughout here is from chapter 1. This is from My Porch Prints. This is Artie Mays. Printed that on just copy paper, just to give it that kind of older, kind of original type look. This is from the Letter Ephemera kit, and that goes in there. We've got another Edith Holden here that flips out. It's for the month of October, and then we have a tab here. This is some original French ephemera that I have in my stash with some digital washi. You can see that there. Lace tuck there. That paper is from the old design shop. It's a freebie on the Etsy, not on our Etsy, on her blog, which is called theolddesignshop.com, I think. The pocket here, that is from My Porch Prints. So are these. I've just tucked them in like that. Some more digital washi and butterfly from Artie Mays. Some more stamping. This paper is from Grandma's Attic as well. That's My Porch Prints. I'm kind of worried in case I'm not all in frame here. Yep. A little pocket made using a tag, which is from Artie Mays' wallpaper grungy kit. And that's Artie Mays. That's from one of the fall kits actually, but how pretty is that? It's, you know, you can use that not necessarily for a full journal. These are from My Porch Prints. Little bit of digital washi here. This is from Bohemian Crafting. Some more stamping. The digital washi wraps around onto there. This is some more original French ephemera, and it's actually got like the embossed stamp on there. This is a freebie on my coffee shop. Links for that will be below. The old design shop. Little pocket there. Little double tag. made these, saw a video today, I think it was by Shabby Cottage Studio, and she had made tags similar-ish to this. Anyway, I used some craft card and I embossed it, then I gessoed it, and this is some original French ephemera, and these are freebie on my shop, and then I've just added this lace trim. We've got some digital washi here and a book page from England is a Garden. You can find that on Etsy, not Etsy, on eBay. And the other side of the book page there. This is from My Porch Prints. This is from Artie Mays from her letter ephemera kit. And some more lace trim down here. So these are the kind of like, are they ledger length? I don't know. Yeah, I think so. Really long. Some more digital washi, centre of signature stamped here and here. Some more digital washi there. Got lots of writing space. We have a postcard from My Porch Prints, and this is from Artie Mays' letter ephemera kit. Book page, don't know what that is. I know it's the right way around because I thought when I put it together, I thought, oh, I put that one upside down, but I haven't. And that's just paper clipped on. We have a flip out here. Some more digital washi. Isn't that pretty? And little tuck there with the journal card. They're both from My Porch Prints. Here we have another, that's the other side of the original French ephemera that I have. And just put a piece of lace there. You can tuck things inside there as well. And digital washi and a butterfly. This was a freebie from My Porch Prints, and you find that on Facebook. And some more French ephemera from Artie Mays. So I'm going to call this a French shabby, because I have got a few bits of French in here, if original and digital. Another one of these. Again, that's freebie on my shop. That's from my French ephemera kit, which is a digital kit, and that's been embossed and gessoed. Paper there is from Bohemian Crafting. We've got a pocket here, which was a tag, some digital washi and a butterfly. We have another tag that is from one of Artie Mays' autumn kits, but isn't that pretty? This is from My Porch Prints, so is that. And some stamping, some more digital washi and a butterfly. This is another flip out pocket. Well, it's plain on the inside for writing. Little double journal card or tag. Little pocket there. Tag here, which is a freebie on my shop, on my coffee shop. French ephemera, some digital washi. Edith Holden, digital washi, little birdie there, wrapped around is the digital washi, stamping, lace trim, digital washi, look at the little mouse. What is that? It's a botanic garden in Oxford. That is, I'm never sure which way that is, because stamps down there, I normally think stamps should be up the top, but I guess not. My Porch Prints French ephemera kit from Artie Mays. That obviously flips opened like so. You can put that in like that, actually. We shall do that. This is some original French ledger. Quite delicate. Flip out Edith Holden there. Pocket with tag from Artie Mays. That's from the Builder Cluster Tag Kit. This is My Porch Prints, and that is a freebie on my coffee shop. And that is the back. So that is the journal. Loved making that. Took me a couple of days, but loved making it. Been really busy, had a lot going on. So like I said, this will be listed in my shop if you're interested. You can find all the links below. Be nice if you gave me a thumbs up, left a comment, really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Bye.